Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holder? This is the live price prediction of Dogecoin, and exactly, my brother, what we do a sell, hold, or buy in the current time and upcoming time. What's going on in June, my brother? What's going on? Can they will moving upward or not, my friends? They fails down more and more. So my friends, if you can see, this is the last 1 day chart is on the screen, and if you check out the last 3 months chart, then absolutely this chart is completely going to show. You can see this time the resistance line is come to here, my brother. So if you can see the resistance line, if you note this exactly, my friends, they are in the lost go now. You can see this time they're completely fails down. Dogecoin already touched 0.7 USD dollar. You can see this time the highest point. If you check out, yes, 0.7 USD dollar, they touch the highest point. This is the highest point, and this especially in the last month, my brother. But this time you can see here the price come to, my brother, the price come to 0.3 USD dollar. It's a very bad fail, my friends. And what's we do? If you can see, my brother, every cryptocurrency is moving like this style. After a jump they fails down, and after a jump they fails down. So absolutely, if they're moving in this circulation, it's mean to upcoming time there is a very good jump coming soon now, my brother. If we zoom this chart, and absolutely if you understand, to after a jump they fails down. You can see this time, my brother, after a jump they fails down. So it's completely gonna show you, my brother, to after a jump they fails down. So it's 100% sure, my brother. I am 100% sure to end June, my brother, they will give you a very huge and very good profit now. So let's see, my brother, the last 1 month chart. You can see this time in the last 1 month they completely fails down. So therefore my prediction is tell us, my brother, to upcoming time in the next month they completely go in the moon now. So you need, my friends, you need to hold and wait for the second week, my friends. Second week at the mid, my friends, they're starting moving upward. So you also need, my friends, to wait for the second week. So Dogecoin holder, hope you like this video and enjoy this video. This is my prediction. Hope you enjoy it. Please like this video and share your opinion in the comment box. So this is selling time, buying time, or holding time.